Designer. Welcome back to Design Coach. Today we are going to learn how to design a wireframe in Figma. In the last part, we designing a one testimonial section. Now we designing a block section in our wireframe. So let's start with the block section. Here is our sketch wireframe. Based on this sketch wireframe, we creating initial wireframe for our layout. Let's start with the wireframe. I just duplicate this section again and use this frame for repeat use. Now I just remove this view wall. Actually we just put it for now to move on the block page. In this we see the 6 column have a large thumbnail image, and after that one title and description for the blog and read more link. For this I just copy this one of the square thumbnail, open the grid and duplicate this till to the 6 column. Here is our 6 column, 3 and 3 6. Okay, now I just hide the grid. After this we need one title, description and read more link. Again I use this frame and duplicate it, and I give font change to this 24 or 32, or maybe you can use 24, and I just extend it to 6 column. In between we can have a space like 16 pixels. After that we have a one link, read more. Duplicate this and add into this thumbnail content, read more link. And again we have a row of thumbnails. Here is the column of thumbnails, and in this we have a row, one thumbnail and text blog content. Again I just open the grid and duplicate this one and try to make it small, 3 column, and I use the same just content. Here I want to forget the change name of, we can just add the blog title here, and I use the same frame for our side design. Okay, and I just align it center. I just select this both and convert into auto layout, and I duplicate this, and we try to align this in our design. So I just increasing the square of this 280 and also increasing the here 280. In between these we can just align it both, and I just select this both, convert into auto layout. Select and select this and convert into auto layout. It will be convert into the wrap. For now I don't need wrap, so I just remove it and undo. Select this both and convert into one column, auto layout, and here is also, and I will just convert this both into auto layout. So here is our one section for blog we use in our wireframe. In this I just see it moving outside grid. Okay, let's align it. So this our block section work in our wireframe. I just duplicate this divider again and put it after the block. Now we need extra height of this page to design our next section. Next section will be our call to action and the footer. Let's start with the next part. Watch my video. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.